What it do? What it do? Vlogmas. Day 14, part 2. Yeah. So, I still have my pajamas on. I just put my hoodie on. I'm tired. I went to sleep around 3. We got up around... I got up at 5. Because I wasn't feeling good again. And then I drank some tea, and then I laid back down. And I fell back asleep until 11, I think it was. But Dias was still asleep. He woke up around 12. Then I went in the kitchen, did some stuff. And I didn't feel good again, so I came back and I sat down. So right now, currently, it is 4:03. So, I don't think it's gonna get any better than it is right now. I do believe I'm gonna heal fully, but for right now, with all the stuff that's going on, it snowed last night too, so yeah. Anyway, that's another story in itself. So let's look at these packages. Right, so I got Walmart and I got Carter's. The box got wet, so we took everything out that box and put it in a bag, but I didn't open anything. So we're gonna see what we got. And don't mind the bed in the middle of laundry. Cleaning everything. I told you I was gonna sanitize. So I just I sprayed everything up with the disinfectant laundry stuff. And now I'm just waiting for wash. Alright, so let me get this box. I don't feel like bending it down. I'm so tired. Alright, so this is Walmart. I think I know what it is. I feel like I'm so into the onesie thing right now because Matthias has a thing where he don't like things on his feet. But he wants to be where I am, and sometimes he needs shoes there. So I just been on the onesie kick right now. So Matthias, he was in 2T for about 2 weeks, and he went out. So everything that I bought that was 2T, that no longer fits. So I got him this thing here because I like this one. He has the 2T onesie for this, but yeah, he's not fitting it properly. So that's another thing in itself. So this only came in 3T in the 2-piece pajamas. So I got this. It is really soft. I like the plush feel. Look at it. It's velvet. What is that? Velvet? If you know, you know. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay. And then the only other one they had was this purple one. And I liked, okay, so the one that I liked, it looks like this. The only other, this one is purple, but he's going to be in the house. So who's going to see him in this? I'm not going to show nobody him in this. But I do like the feel of it. Look at that. Look at, it's so nice and, I don't know. But I mean, it doesn't look girly, but it's purple. Guys can wear lavender, I think. So that's that. That's from Walmart. But these are... It is Carter's, right? But Walmart and Target have their own brand of Carter's. So when you go to Walmart, theirs is called Child of Mine, right? So this is exclusively for Walmart. So when you go to Target, I forgot what the name of that one is for, but because, yeah, so when you put Child of Mine in, Carter Child of Mine, Walmart will only pop up because they make that exclusively for Walmart. And then Target has one that's made for them too, but I'm not sure. So these are exclusively from Carter's. Like, I went straight to the website and got these because they had a sale, and I saw it and I liked some of the stuff, so I got him this one. This is not the same one. This one is kind of fleece material, but it has the little truck. It's a footy. This saves us like so much time, and I think it's the double zip, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not. It's not. It just saves us so much time. Where we put him in these. So I just got a bunch of them because he's gonna be wearing these every day while he's in the house. And even if we gotta go run outside, he won't walk anyway. So it's like we carry him and put him in the stroller, so he'll be good in these and nice and warm. Just throw his little coat on. Yeah, so all of this is Carter's. This is another 2-piece set. I thought this was cute. This might be a little too big for him. This is 3T. This is called Little Planet. So, alright, I think Target's is Little Planet too, if I'm not mistaken. So maybe theirs is not exclusive, but I think it's Little Planet for that. But this came from Carter's, I think. No, some did come from Target. I think this one did come from Target. I think because we put everything in a box and I got sick. We took it out the box and I was like, oh, I'm not going to open anything. But it's a little cute jogging set. Listen, don't get me to lie, because I don't know, because my brain is different right now. I know these are Carter's. What is this? Yeah, this is straight Carter's here. So that must be Target, because I did buy something from Target too. And it has the little bear footies. This is so cute. Some of this stuff got other things in it. Gotta get a garbage bag. This is cute. He looks good in red. That's why I wanted to get him this. It has the little bear foot too. Yeah, I went ham, y'all. Everything. I want to say... Okay, here's another one of the ones that we like. Look at that. It feels good. And he doesn't sweat in this. He sweats. So, let's see. This one says the original price is $12. I paid $5 for all of these. And I think I have a few like that because that was the reason why I actually went to find it, because when I seen that one from Walmart and I got it and I was like, oh wow, he didn't sweat in these. Me and Mikey kind of liked it. So, oh, this is another. Sorry y'all. This is another two-piecer. This is cute. I like this one. But it's the same silky material. Now this is gonna be a onesie cake, man. Yeah, I go ham for my family. He took all my money. He took that. Okay, here's another one. I think this one is cute too. It's a little race car. I like the feel of it all. It's just like really nice. Okay, here's a thin one. And it has yeah, I'm just gonna hang all these up. It's a whole bag in here, y'all. It's like a bag full of stuff. Here's another one. I love this color blue. It's so soft. It's so soft. Yeah, I can't believe what I don't know what this is that came and took us out like that. This one is really cute. I like this one. He likes drills. We bought him. He saw Mikey with a drill, so we got him a Fisher Price drill, and he walks around drilling stuff. So yeah, I just basically bought a whole bunch of onesies because some friends of mine, they had bought him a whole bunch of sweatsuits and stuff from Gap and Nike for right in September. So he is like filled up on sweatsuits. I could show y'all some of those. I wasn't vlogging at the time when I got those, so this is an open one. So I don't know how this is gonna work, but I like that it was this material, so I couldn't pass it up. We still got some more. And but wait, there's more. Look at my hair, y'all. I am oh, another two-piecer. It's the Abominable Snowman one. I thought that was cute. That's some ties. Here's one Mikey. So that's, I think we got a couple more. And then that's it. Oh yeah, that's another two-piecer. I think these are the unisex ones, if I'm not mistaken. I think it says like anybody could wear them. I think those that I just had. And last but not least, I saw that they had the onesie and that one, and I got that one as well. So we had already seen this one, but this is the actual onesie. And that is it. What else I got? Oh, and I got some magnesium spray. That came in the mail. It actually works pretty good. I used it. It was good. But yeah, so that's that. We're still recuperating, y'all. Mikey's doing much better. But Maya's sick now. So she's actually laying down. Madison went to work. She says she's feeling better, but she probably would be because she was the first one for it to start. So I don't know. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but mine just started Wednesday, so hopefully a week is good. Because I don't like this at all. But I've been dosing myself with vitamin C. And I'm going to stay that way. I'm going to just make sure I take it every single day. As you can see, I am tired. I haven't even been putting my castor oil or nothing. So I'll get back to it. It put a whole damper in my plans. I was supposed to wash my hair, put the color in it, do everything. I had stuff planned, even though I knew that it was like a boring Vlogmas. I did have things planned for this week to get done, but it just didn't work out that way. So hopefully we can kick this. Well, we're gonna kick it, but kick it sooner than later, because sometimes you need weeks to recover. But I'm not sure, but this is like our first major sickness. I want to say since 2012. Like, I have not had a fever, nor had I been sick since 2012. So, this really took me out. But I do also think, too, that, It always took me, I always had sicknesses in between the years that I would have, so it would be a long time before I would get sick again. So I figured that something was gonna come, but I didn't think it was gonna be like this. After I had Matthias, right? Because now I'm like on my bill back of everything, because like he took all my vitamins and stuff, and my levels are just going back to normal. So I know they said you need 2 years, 2 years or so to like really get your body back. I think it was 5 that was recommended, honestly, after having birth, but I'm not sure. But I know my body was different after having Matthias. Like, I have stuff that I did not have, like sciatica. I didn't have that till him. So that's an adjustment too, because when that pain hit, that's another story. But anyway, I'm gonna go, because I still don't feel too good. I don't know if Mike's gonna say anything to y'all, but I just wanted to get some footage so that I could keep up, because I didn't want to go far. Like, I didn't want to have so many days that I had to reach up to, because out of the 3 years, this is our 3rd year doing Vlogmas, I've never missed a day. So I was disappointed, but I knew y'all would understand, because I'm not feeling well. So I am trying, and I will catch you in the next one if, I don't come back and talk to you, okay? Alright. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay away from sick people, okay? Bye.